Everyone, welcome to day 294 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this Lotus arcade stitch. This stitch has a slightly different approach than the other arcade stitches. So for the stitch multiple, I have a multiple of 14 plus 3. Now, I'm going to add 5 more chains. This counts as 1 double crochet, and into the 6th chain, you're going to make 4 double crochet stitches. Sorry, 5 double crochet stitches. So apart from the 5 chains, you're going to have 5 double crochet stitches. Okay. Now yarn over, go into the 5th chain from the hook. Go into the 7th chain from the hook. And you're going to make a puff stitch. Okay. So I'm doing a 3 yarn over puff stitch, pull up a loop and chain 2. Again go into the same stitch, make one more puff stitch. Again chain 2 and make one more puff stitch. Okay. Now you have these 3 petals. And into the 7th stitch from here, you're again going to make 5 double crochet stitches. Okay, so that's the pattern repeat. You have to do this till the end of the row. So the last, you have 3 more stitches left, and we are making 5 double crochets in there, and skip one and make 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Okay, now that completes our row number 1. Okay, so again chain 1, turn your work for the second row. Okay, into this very first stitch you're going to make 1 single crochet. Okay, so now this is the back side and this is the front side. Okay, you're going to make 3 single crochets around this first double crochet stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, again into the last double crochet post over here you're again going to make 3 single crochets. So this is what forms the arcade shape on our stitch pattern. So once you understand this is very easy. Okay, so basically into the first and last part of the first and last double crochet of the shell we are making 3 single crochets. Okay, so this wave part right here is this. Now once you're done with the 3 stitches, come back to the side that you're crocheting, make 1 single crochet into this, and then into this chain 2 space you're going to make 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, and into this chain 2 space again make 3 SC. Okay, now we are back at the shell. So into this space here you're going to make 1 single crochet, then go back to the, so these are the shell stitches. So this is the first DC. Around this you're going to make 3 single crochets, and this is the last DC. Around this make 3 single crochets. Okay, come back to your side that you're crocheting, go into the space right here between the shell and the puff, make 1 single crochet, into the shell stitch, into the puff stitch right here, into the chain 2 space, make 3 single crochets, chain 1 and make 3 single crochets over here. Okay, again we are back at the shell. So before going into the shell, make 1 single crochet between the puff and the shell, and then around the post make 3 single crochets, okay, into the last double crochet of the shell again you're going to make 3 single crochets, okay, and make 1 single crochet on top of the chain 5 we made. So that completes our row 2. Okay, now for row 3, so above the shell stitch you're going to create the puff, on top of the puff you're going to create the shell. So chain 3, This counts as one double crochet. Go into the middle stitch right here. So you have 3 stitches left from your 5 shell. Go into the middle stitch and make a puff stitch. Okay, chain 2. We're creating the lotus stitch on top of this. Okay, now into the chain 1 space you're going to create the 5 double crochet stitches. Again, find the middle stitch of the shell, which is right here, and make 3 puff stitches into it. Find the chain 1 space, make a double crochet. Make 5 double crochets into the chain 1 space. By now I think you've understood the pattern. It's just a repeat pattern from here. You just have to shift the shell and the puff stitch for each row. On top of the shell you will create the puff stitch, and on top of the puff stitch you will be creating the shell. Okay, so we have done this at the last shell over here. Make 1 double crochet into that final single crochet right there. Now again chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet. Into this chain 2 space you have to make 3 single crochets, chain 1, again 3 single crochets. Between the puff and the shell make 1 single crochet. Okay, now you have to again go in the front. So if you're confused about the front and back, you can see the previous ridge right there. So that is your front side, where you will have to create 3 single crochets around the post of the first DC on the shell, and 3 single crochets around the post of the last DC of the shell. One single crochet between the shell and the puff stitch, 3 single crochet into each of the chain 2 spaces, and a chain 1 between those 2 spaces right there. Again 3 single crochets, and so on. So that's it for the pattern repeat. Do try this out, and if you have any doubts you can leave it in the comment section below or reach us out on our Instagram page. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.